I have two layers showing. One is the snail elevation. It is evaluation, but it's elevation. I'm going to zoom to layer on that. And you can see it's it covers more area. Actually, you know, which I think would be helpful is to make this hollow. Okay, so you can see nothing. Here we go. Okay, so I can see areas. Oh, look, I'm going to have with an intersect. This would be interesting because I would have some, not an intersect with a union. I would have some slivers here that were gonna happen. That will not. I think I misspoke on the demo or the lecture slide. You're not going to have intersects with your intersect. You're not going to have slivers with your intersect because it will just take coincident area. Anyway, I want to do a clip. So I want the vegetation to match this area of snail elevation. That's correct. All right, so let's see. Is it in? Oh, yes, it is in extract. So I'm going to go to clip and the input feature. So you can look at your help menu here. So there's the input, there's the clip, and that's what you get out. So my cookie dough is going to be my vegetation, and my clip feature is going to be my snail elevation, and veg clip, and I would want to know what I clipped by, and if I use camel case I can get some more spaces. Veg, okay, and I can do tolerances here as well, but I'm not going to. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that. And it's clipping. And so let's turn this off. And you see it took care of those gaps. So it only gave me the vegetation that is within the coincident vegetation layer. And if I were to make this vegetation a different color, you can see those areas where like it extended here, but because it was outside the boundary, it was not included. So the clip is kind of a cool feature. Again, talked about how the clip could truncate. Could make it look nicer without these dangling roads, but it also could lose some data that way. So the erase should just actually give me everything outside but nothing in here on the vegetation. My vegetation lost its lines. There we go. Okay, so there's my vegetation, and so erase is in overlay. I don't know why, but that's where they put it. So I'm going to put that again. Again, the same general hierarchy. Vegetation here, snail at the top, and I'm going to name it okay. So what I have is everything outside of the snail habitat is included in my erase feature. So kind of handy. So right now I have so I think I'll do another short slide for the dissolve and the buffer. Yeah,